Okay, good morning class. Today we are going to look at World Multipurpose River projects. World Multipurpose River projects. We need to define Multipurpose River project. Then we also look at objectives of establishing Multipurpose River projects. That's what we want to look at in this lesson 1. So what is a multipurpose river project? A multipurpose river project refers to a dam project that serves many purposes. For example, generation of hydroelectric power, storage of water for irrigation and domestic use, promotion of tourism, provision of water for irrigation, and other very many purposes. It is called a multipurpose river project because it serves many purposes. But for your assurance, most of these power projects begin purposely to generate and supply hydroelectric power, but after they end up serving many purposes, and that's why they are called multipurpose. You can also define it as a river project designed to use the water of a river efficiently and improve its management for the benefit of humans and their activities and for the sustainable development of the region. You know, in Africa, for example, most of the rivers use people instead of people using these rivers. They flood and destroy people's property, they flood and kill people. They are breeding grounds for mosquitoes, which spread malaria to people. So you find rivers have ended up using people instead of people using the rivers. But now man has come up with some knowledge of establishing multipurpose river projects, such as this man uses the river instead of the river using him. What is a dam? What is a dam? A dam is a constructed structure across the river to regulate the river flow. Let us look at the objectives of multipurpose river projects. Number 1, these projects are established to control the floods of the river. And now we are looking at the general objectives. We shall look at different multipurpose river projects independently, but now we are looking at general objectives of establishing multipurpose river projects: to control floods, to provide water for irrigation, to check on soil erosion, to provide water for domestic purposes, to generate hydroelectric power for industries, villages and towns, to promote inland navigation, to encourage tourism, to preserve wildlife, to promote fishing, to increase employment, to promote research and fieldwork, and to reduce balance of payment problems, which ends up reducing the problem of dependence. So if you look at all these objectives, there are very many, and that's where the name Multipurpose River project comes from. At first, maybe the project was started to generate hydroelectric power and supply it to people, villages and cities, but after it ends up serving other several purposes, and thus the name Multipurpose. Thank you.